How to create a menu bar on Canva website. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Now it's going to be very easy. You just want to let your creativity run along and we can just do it. So let's just go ahead and open up our Canva website. If you don't have one already, you can just go ahead and create one from here and we can just follow along and it's going to work exactly the same way. And this is going to be step by step so you don't have to worry. So just go and open up your Canva website. And then from here, what we can do is just first click on it to be able to edit it. Now, you'll need to consider having different pages here. And what's very important is that you will need to have to name them. So for example, the first one, click on the three dots and you just want to name it something like homepage. Second one, same thing goes here. In my case, it's called contact us. Same goes for the third one, and I'm just going to create a fourth one just because. Let's just go ahead and give it some sort of a design here. Let's just copy the first one. And in this case, obviously, we'd want to click on the three dots and give it a name. So test page. Right. So now that you have given all of them names, I need you to know first and foremost is that by default, if you did actually check a specific thing once you publish your website, it does actually offer, Canva does actually offer a menu bar at the top. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you click on publish website, you will have the option to include navigation menu over here. So if you check that off, it's not going to include it. If you do check it, it's going to actually include it for you. And to be able to see it, you can just go and preview your website and it's going to look something like this. Okay, so this is the default from Canva. But let's say we don't want to include that one and we want to create a custom one. In that case, it's going to be a little bit different. Let's say we want to create it for the homepage and it's going to be a little bit on the side here because, you know, the top is a little bit crowded for me to add anything. So in that case, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and add some sort of an element. I'm just going to add a square-ish shape like this one. Let's just go ahead and try to give it a different color first. So let's just go ahead and color it differently, like a lighter green maybe. And then we could just go ahead and highlight the place where you want to create the menu bar. In this case, I'm just going to do it right over here. I'm not sure about the color. I may change it later on, but for the time being, we get the idea. So when it comes to creative design, it's completely up to you how you want it to look like. Anyways, now what we want to do is just add some text that is going to include the names of the other pages. So in that case, I'm just going to add a subheading, name it contact us, which is going to be a little bit too large here. So let's just go ahead and try to make this a little bit smaller, this entire section. Like so. So we can actually try to make it fit. So let's just go ahead and skip ahead. So I decided to make it almost full screen because, you know, I wanted to make it fit and I don't really want to make the text way too small. So we can just do contact us. And then we can just go ahead and move it a little bit to the side. And we can just feel free to duplicate it a few times. So 1, 2, this is the second one, and then one more time. Like so. It doesn't really look great. Like I said, when it comes to creativity, it's going to be for you to decide how you want it to look like. But I'm just going to write about us. And this one is going to be test page. So all you need to do now is obviously design it to your liking, and then after you're done, you just want to highlight the text that you want. In this case, this one, just go ahead and click on it. Click on the three dots and just want to click on link, and then you would want to link it to that page by just scrolling down and you'll find all the pages in here. So this is contact us, so you would want to click on contact us. Same goes for this one, three dots, link, about us, so we can just go to about me. And then same goes for this one, link, and then just go to the test page. Now, in case it does underline the text for you, in that case, you just want to highlight the text and just remove it if you don't want it. So just highlight text and remove it from the top here if you don't want it. And this is all basic. So now whenever people click on these, it's actually going to take them to that page immediately. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.